not registered on network error in mobile. Any mobile Android phone not registered on network, such type of message you will face. First option is go to setting option of your Android phone. Choose connection. Thereafter choose mobile network. Now select network operators. Click on search networks. It will take some times. It will search your network operator and choose your network operator, and a message will receive registered on network. The second option to fix this issue is again go to settings cog of your Android phone, choose apps. Here go to SIM toolkit options under app settings. Choose a storage. Here click on first clear data, thereafter choose clear caches. Thereafter again go to settings and choose general management. Thereafter choose reset options and reset network settings. Your network error